Day in the crafty cooking life of the second best worst YouTuber. Diamond painting, crafty, not artistic, crazy cat lady. Welcome to my day in the crafty cooking life. Second best worst YouTuber, somehow doing it right. Diamond painting nights, drills on my hands. Crafty, not artistic, but I've always got a plan. Crazy cat lady with the camera in her hand. Come hang out and see the mess I accidentally planned. Learning to love myself, crown getting polished bright. Working on my glow, becoming the queen I know I am inside. Please like and subscribe to this Hot Mess Express.
Hey y'all. Okay. So I have cut some tags with my silhouette machine because the cats all have to go to the vet tomorrow. What I thought I would do is make tags for their carriers that have their names on the back and picture on the front. I took these with my Sprocket 200 because Sherbert and Lyndall can kind of favor sometimes. So, I mean, my dad has a hard time telling them apart. I am going to make tags. I have no idea what I'm going to attach them with, though. I was trying to figure out what I was going to attach them with. And I may have to go get some like little keychain things. I don't know. I'm not sure yet what they're going to be attached with. So for Sherbert, okay, here's Sherbert's picture. Here's a tag. And I'm just going to write Sherbert on the back the way that I spell it. So because I spell it SHERBT. Sherbet. I don't know. That's just how it was on her adoption papers. So now I'm going to take this. Maybe. I need a pokey thing. Pokey thing is really sharp. Right? Because the sprocket doesn't need ink. It's a thermal printer, just like the old Polaroids. And I'm going to put it like this. Okay. Now that's good. Right there. All right. So now we have this. Isn't she cute? And I am going to laminate these once I get them all done. And then we will work on figuring out how we're going to attach them. L Y N D A L. Lindle. Little Lindle. Okay. that off. Turn it over. There we go. So like that. I've got to go to Walmart. So the next part of this video will be, these will be laminated and I will be attaching them with something. I don't know what, because I'm thinking that they may want to take them off of the cage and put them in on whatever holding pen. So I'd like them to be able to take them off and put them back on. So let's do Bobby Ray. Little Bobby Ray. They know Bobby Ray though. B O B Ray. 4 K 1. Bobby Ray. Bobby Ray. Yeah, I tried to write him cute. Is it cute? Yeah. I guess that's up for debate. There we go. Oh. So yeah, if you have multiple cats and they all need to go to the vet at one time just because one is a schizo and traumatized and doesn't ever want anybody around, so going to the vet is like traumatic, and you have to send all your cats and a couple of your cats look alike, maybe consider picture name tags. It's just a suggestion. Stay tuned for the next part. Be right back. Back. And I have been joined by one of the babies. This is Glendale. Sherbert's over here by the window. And Bobby Ray is on the floor gnawing on plastic. I don't know. Okay, so I found these carabiners at Walmart. It's a pack of 4, less than $3. So I think that will work. So let's try it. So I think I'm going to put it on the top door. So I'm going to give Sherbert the red one. And what I did was, okay, so Lindell, baby, I need you. Thank you. Thank you so much. So they're cold lemonaded. Is this it? And I'm just going to put this here. That is perfect. So then now they know which one is sherbet. Yes, ma'am. How can I help you? Mhm. And so if I put it on here, like I can, well, that might hang. That's not good. And I don't know that y'all can see me because the cat is in the way. Ugh. Shoot. Well, that's not the spot to put it because it will fall down in there. That's no bueno. That's no good. All right, so let's try it here. Should we chew on it? but that's okay. And now we have it like this. See? Okay. Hello. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. Um, we'll see how this goes, right? Probably going. I'm waiting. There. Thank you so much. Lyndall just jumped down. Okay. I'm going to put these on the others. Bobby Ray, leave Sherbert. Leave. Tag alone. Now I have to worry about Sherbert chewing on them. Leave it alone. Thank you, sir. And now I have one extra, so I will put the extra one over here. And I will use these two. Bobby Ray will get the green one. Orange and green go well together, right? So he will get the green one. Oh, uh, it fell. Hang on. Well, Sherbert, I need you to move, baby. Thank you. Okay. And Lyndall will get the blue one. And we're going to go through these on their carriers. And wish me luck tomorrow. Well, today's Sunday. You won't see this until probably Tuesday. So hopefully we'll get a good report tomorrow. Certainly, hopefully. Oh, and now Bobby Ray's come over here to chew on it. Hopefully everybody will just need shots, maybe wormed, because there was a little bit of time in between their old flea collars going bad and me getting the new ones because I was out of job for a little while. So they may need to be wormed. I know they need shots. And hopefully that is it. Hopefully. So I'll let y'all know later in the week. By the time you see this, I'll already know what the damage is. Until next time. Bye, y'all.